What's up YouTube, ReggieTECH here, and today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at everything that comes inside of the Pixel UHF wireless microphone system model WM-10 version box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a quick look around the box and then we'll get into everything that comes inside. So to get started, on the front of the box you have the company's name as well as their logo, Pixel, up here at the top left hand side. In the center of the box you have a nice image of the two Lavalier mic sets as well as that dual channel receiver. And then it says the name of the product as well as the model number that's checked off down here at the bottom because it is available in two different models. Down on the bottom of the box it has some writing in Chinese that I do not understand, but it also has the company's website right here. On the top of the box it has the company's logo one more time, Pixel, and on the back of the box is where you get the bulk of the information for this product, as well as getting a nice image of the three pieces that come in this box one more time, and you get a nice image of the dual channel receiver being mounted on the camcorder right here. And you have all the features listed on this side in English as well as the features listed on this side in Chinese, I'm sure. So you guys, let's go ahead and get into this box and see everything that comes inside. Alright you guys, so this is everything that we get inside of the box, and before we take a look at all the items individual, I just want to show you guys the box that it came in. So the top piece was just a slide cover that showed the image as well as talking about the features of the devices themselves, but this is the actual box that the devices were housed in. So when you open it, you'll have a foam piece covering the top, and then it has cutouts inside of nice thick foam so that it keeps all the pieces of this device safe and without getting damaged. And that's pretty much it for that. So getting straight into it, the first thing that you see is the user manual, and the first half of the user manual is in Chinese, but then the second half is in English. So they do tell you a lot of nice useful tips and a lot of nice options that you have while using this microphone set. And I think a lot of that stuff will come in handy when I'm actually trying this stuff out, as I've never really used a microphone set before. So here you can see we have the two Lavalier mic sets with the lapel microphones connected already. Everything came separately in little baggies, but I went ahead and connected them all. These are just connected by 3.5mm headphone jacks, and they go in just like that, and then you can even screw them in so that it makes it a even stronger connection and you won't have to worry about them getting loose while you're using them. Then you also get two extra foam bits to put over these microphones just in case, you know, they get used up or you lose one or anything like that. And then you get to the dual channel receiver. So this receiver will receive both of these transmissions at the same time, and as you can see it does have two antennas. Those antennas are removable. You can go ahead and unscrew them and screw them back in, and then you can also pivot them in the directions that you feel like they'll get the best connection with. You also get these two mini fur bits that you can put over the microphones. I believe that's how you use them, not 100% sure. And you get this mounting bracket that you can mount this dual channel receiver either onto a tripod or directly onto the top of a camera with. And some other accessories you get is this 3.5mm headphone jack splitter, and you also get an XLR to 3.5mm jack microphone converter. So you can also use a microphone with this set. All you have to do is take out the lapel mic right here, and you can go ahead and plug this XLR jack right into that headphone jack, and you'll be all set to use a regular microphone with this set. So you guys, with all that being said, this is pretty much all I'm gonna do with this unboxing right now. In my future videos I will be using this Lavalier mic set to have better sound quality as well as, you know, a better audio range, and so that I don't have to be standing directly over my phone to use the mic or to have a good sound quality. But you guys, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. If you guys like this unboxing, go ahead and hit that like button down below. If you guys have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment section below and I'll be quick to answer them. If you guys want to check this product out, I will be leaving a link to both models down in the description box, so definitely go check that out. And as always, I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you guys want to see more content just like this, consider subscribing to my channel. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.